Have you ever wanted to run Android apps or play Android games on your Windows PC? If yes, then you probably already know that you need an emulator to do it. And when it comes to Android emulators, LDPlayer is one of the best options out there. It works really well, even on low-end PCs with just 4 GB of RAM. Although 8 GB is recommended if you want smoother performance. One of the best things about LDPlayer is that it comes with the Google Play Store already built in, so you can easily search for and install almost any Android app or game directly on your PC. Just like you would on a normal Android phone, you can simply open the Play Store, install any game you want, and start playing within minutes. Another great feature is the built-in key mapping support. This lets you customize your keyboard controls exactly how you want, which is especially useful for games. LDPlayer also comes with a built-in screen recorder. So if you want to record your gameplay in high quality and save it directly to your computer, you can do that too. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to download, install, and set up LDPlayer on your Windows PC. Now let's get started. First of all, open any browser. Go to search bar and search for LDPlayer. Open this link from search results. This is the official LDPlayer website. Here you'll see a big button that says Download LDPlayer 9. Click on it. And the setup file will start downloading. If downloading not started, just click here and it will start downloading. Once it's done, right-click and open the setup file. A small installation window will appear. Normally it will install on C drive, but if you want, you can change it to another drive. To change drive, click on Setup Path, and then choose the drive you want. After that, click on Install and let the process begin. It will download required components and then install LDPlayer on your system. This may take a few minutes depending on your system speed, so just wait until it finishes. After installation, LDPlayer will open automatically. The first time it launches, it might take a little longer. That's normal because it's setting up a virtual Android system in the background. Once it loads, you'll see an Android-style home screen, just like on a phone. Some basic apps like Chrome and Play Store will already be installed. Now, to install apps or games, simply open the Google Play Store. Sign in with your Google account if required. After signing in, you will see Google Play Store with all Android apps and games. You can browse and look for anything you want. Search for any app or game you want. Then click Install, just like you would on your mobile phone, and it will start downloading and installing. You can also customize keyboard controls as you want. And that's it. You have now successfully installed LDPlayer 9 on your Windows PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next one.